meal preppers, Paul coming at you here. Just got done with training and workout. It is hot outside, I'll tell you what. Got a little workout myself, which is beautiful. Today I'm coming at you with Mongolian turkey and broccoli over rice. And this is super easy to make. We did this not too long ago with Korean turkey with some veggies. And this is the same thing, a one skillet dish. You start by just sauteing the broccoli, pull it out, put the meat in with all the juices, let that simmer, add your broccoli back in. There's actually big stalks of green onion in there, which is really tasty, over some jasmine rice, because we love jasmine rice. And to chop up that ground beef, just to let you know a little secret, I don't know if you have seen these fancy little things, but this actually works. And I don't know if you've been hesitating on buying one of these, but as opposed to using a spoon or a wooden thing to break up the beef, this chopper, it works beautifully. I never thought it really made a difference, but it does. It's made out of silicone, so easy to wash. Throw it in the dishwasher when you're done. So just a little tidbit in there. We've got a ton of tools in our 6-step course. If you look for tools in the kitchen, we've got a store there with Amazon links where you can buy those tools straight from our app. So look for that, guys. And this is coming out in the app this Thursday. So guys, have a great week. All right, take care.